morning, I am Ghulam.
Very good morning. I am Nivedita.
What do you do? What's your qualification?
I am a student. I have completed my graduation. Now I am preparing for one-day exam.
That's nice. What about your schooling? Which medium did you do?
From Hindi medium,
And in graduation, what did you do?
BA course,
And which subject did you take?
Hindi, Geography and Political Science.
What did you leave in third year?
Geography.
But why? That is very good subject, and it would be help you in exam also.
Yeah, actually I don't like to study geography. That's why I left.
But you should not have left.
Let it go.
Okay, as you wish.
You tell about you.
I am working in bank as a cashier.
That's really nice.
Thank you. I did hard work for this job.
Yeah, why not? Okay, I should leave here from you.
Okay, nice to talk to you.
Same to you. Bye.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।